In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove weekends on Monday.com. This is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step to ensure everything is crystal clear. Monday.com is a popular project management tool, and sometimes, for various project requirements, you might want to exclude weekends from your calendar. So, let's get started. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken straight to your Monday workspace. It's great that there are no additional steps needed to reach this point, allowing you to dive right into the platform. Now, take a moment to direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice your profile picture waiting for you. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a small menu. As you glance through the menu, you'll see an option labeled Admin. Click on it, and this will lead you to a new set of options. You've now entered the Admin section, and as you survey your surroundings, you should see several headings under the general category. What you're looking for here is the Account tab, so proceed by clicking on that. Within the account settings, your task now is to search for the calendar settings related to weekends. Don't worry if it takes a moment to find, as there are various options here. Take your time and exercise a bit of patience, but rest assured, it's there. Once you've successfully located the calendar section, you'll notice an important option that stands out, the one to disable weekends directly on your calendar. Go ahead and click on the button that says Disable Weekends. By disabling weekends, this means that weekend days will no longer be selectable in your project calendars. Additionally, this simple action will ensure that weekends are excluded from any time calculations that are part of your project's durations and dependencies. It's a clever feature that will help streamline your project timelines, keeping everything neatly Monday to Friday. And there you have it, folks, a complete guide on how to remove weekends from your calendar in Monday.com. This setting can be particularly useful if your team observes a Monday to Friday work week and you want to keep your schedules as accurate and reflective of your actual working days as possible. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to explore more settings within Monday.com to further customize your workflow and make the most out of this powerful project management tool. Until next time, take care and happy planning.